Greetings everyone. We are from Sri Vishnu College of Engineering for Women, Bhimavaram. Today we are going to present a video on matplotlibrary under the guidance of Professor Dr. M. Prasad, PhD, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, SPEC, Bhimavaram. Presented by V. Vatsalya, V. Tejashree, P. Maithili. Matplotlibrary. Matplotlibrary module is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated and visualizations in Python. To understand this concept better, we can divide this topic into three subdivisions. In this, the prerequisites, the pip installation is explained by V. Vatsalya, and what is matplotlibrary and its applications. It is going to explain by V. Tejashree, and the types of matplotlibrary will be explained by P. Maithili.
I'm Vatsalya. Today I am going to discuss about prerequisites of matplotlibrary. It is mandatory to install Python from www.python.org before installing matplotlibrary. Installation of matplotlibrary is different on different operating systems. Matplotlibrary module can be installed using pip package, conda package, etc. For large number of packages, especially in Python, we can use pip. Let us consider installation of matplotlibrary on Python 3.10.1 version. First, install Python and pip in your system. Go to command prompt and open it. Now type Python version. We can see our Python version is installed. Next, type py_m pip__ version. We can see we have installed pip successfully. To install matplotlibrary, type py_m pip install matplotlibrary. After downloading in period of time, matplotlibrary is installed.
Let us discuss what actually the matplotlibrary is. The matplotlibrary is a popular and widely used plotting library in Python. In our day-to-day applications, we go through a lot of challenges where we need to use pie charts, bar graphs, and histograms, etc. For that purpose, matplotlibrary is very essential. Matplotlibrary provides a wide range of functionalities for creating various types of static, animated, and interactive visualizations like 2D and 3D pictures. Matplotlibrary offers a high degree of customization. It allows us to create publication quality figures with good and proper control over every aspect of the plot, including line styles, colors, markers, labels, and annotations. By using the matplotlibrary, we can create line plots, scatter plots, bar plots, histograms, pie charts, 3D plots, and many other type of visualizations which help us in various aspects. It supports various output formats such as PNG, PDF, SVG, and interactive environments like Jupyter Notebook. Thus, it helps many users in many ways. The matplotlibrary is the part of larger scientific computing ecosystem in Python, and it is often used in conjunction with libraries like NumPy and Pandas. It is very much used for data manipulation and analysis. It is very flexible and extensive documentation. It makes it more powerful tool for data visualization and exploration in various type of domains. Over the large number of applications of matplotlibrary, let us discuss few of them. 2D graphs like line plot, scatter plot, etc. And it has wide range of applications in data science, machine learning, data manipulation, presentation and reporting, time series analysis, and 3D visualization like 3D scatter plot, etc. And it also uses and plays a key role in geographical data exploration.
There are various plots which can be created using Python matplot. Plots are the visual representation of data in the form of colored graphics. It explains the reader about the data relationship through data points, lines, symbols, etc. Let us move forward in this block and explore different types of plots available in Python matplot library. I will demonstrate each one of them in detail. In matplotlibrary, there are many types of the plots. Let us discuss few of them. That is line plot, bar plot, stem plot, step plot, violin plot, error bar plot, stem plot, triplot, 3D scatter plot, etc.
Now let us understand brief about the bar plot. First of all, what is a bar plot? A bar plot uses bars to compare data among different categories. It is well suited when you want to measure the changes over a period of time. It can be represented either horizontally or vertically. Also, the important thing to keep in mind is that longer the bar, greater is the value. Now let us practically implement it using Python matplotlib. Have a look here. Here is the program which is used to represent this bar graph. Here I have taken the values of x-axis and the values of y-axis. With the help of the function bar, I am using to implement it. With the help of this function, I am using to represent it. Now from matplotlib, we need to import pyplot as plt. And here I have taken the values of x-axis as 5, 2, 9, 4 and 7. I have taken the y-axis values as 10, 5, 8, 4 and 2. With the help of this bar function, these bars are created. And with the help of this show function, the output is created on the screen.
The another type of plot is scatter plot. Usually, we need scatter plots in order to compare variables. For example, how much one variable is affected by another variable to build a relation out of it. The data is displayed as a collection of points, each having the value of one variable, which determines the position on the horizontal axis, and the value of other variable determines the position on the vertical axis, that means y-axis. Let us coming to program. For scatter plot, we have to import the pyplot as PLT from matplotlib. Let us take on x-axis as values 5, 2, 9, 4, 7. Let us take on y-axis values 10, 5, 8, 4, 2. For scatter plot program, we have to take the function scatter plt dot scatter. To show this plot, we have to take the plot plt dot show function. As as you can see in the above graph, I have plotted two scatter plots based on the inputs specified in the above code. The data is displayed as a collection of points. The other type of plot is line plot. Line plot is one of the easiest and most basic graphical analysis techniques that plays an important role in data analysis when working on machine learning or data science projects. They are used to express a relationship between two variables. The article focuses on plotting a line chart in Python using matplotlib. A line plot visualizes information as a series of data points called markers connected by straight line segments. These are also used to express trends in data over intervals of time. Line plots displays a numerical variable on one axis and a categorical variable on the other. Let us take the program of line plot. For that plot, we have to import two modules, numpy as np and pyplot as plt. We have to take two arrays for x-axis and y-axis. The points on the x-axis 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125. Let us show the points on the y-axis 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 330. We have to take the function to show this line plot. Plt.plot. For average pulse, we have to take the function plt.xlabel function. This is on x-axis. On y-axis, there is calorie burners. For to print this calorie burners, we have to take plt.ylabel function. To get output of this line plot, we have to take the plt.show function. The other type of plot is scatter plot. A 3D scatter plot is a mathematical diagram, the most basic version of the three-dimensional plotting used to display the properties of data as three variables of a dataset using the Cartesian coordinates. To create a 3D scatter plot, matplot's library mplot 3D toolkit is used to enable three-dimensional plotting. Generally, 3D scatter plot is created by using ax.scatter 3D function, the function of the matplot library, which accepts the data sets of x, y, and z axis to create a plot, while the rest of the attributes of the function are the same as that of two-dimensional scatter plot. For this 3D scatter plot, we have to import mplot and we have to import NP. We have to import PLT libraries. Here we take the three axes, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Here the scatter function is used to scatter the points and show function is used to represent the output of the scatter plot as plt.show function. Let us discuss some other types of plots. Coming to violin plot. A violin plot is a statistical graphical for comparing probability distributions. It is similar to a box plot with the addition of a rotated kernel density plot on each side. Coming to triplot. It is most often used in geological studies to show the relative composition of soils and rocks. Coming to box plot and a whisker plot, also called a box plot, displays the five number summary of a set of data. The five number summary is the minimum, first, quartile, median, third, quartile, and maximum. Step plot, 3D wireframe plot, stem plot, QR are the some other examples of the plots. Thank you.